Hi folks, we're out here with my Chinese SKS, and today we're going to do some velocity check on this Monarch polymer coated 123 grain hollow point. On the box it does say that we should get approximately 25-36 feet per second at the muzzle. Let's say we've got a lab radar. We're going to be shooting out here at 100 yards. Don't know that I'll hit the target, but we can see what kind of velocity we get out of this through an SKS and see how close they are to what we actually get. So let's go ahead and get you down range and let's get some data on this. Okay, let's go ahead and look at our data. Okay, we had an average speed of 2469. Our highest was 2484. Our lowest was 2459. Our extreme spread was 25, and our standard deviation is 9.3. And of course, we had 5 shots. That's not a bad extreme spread, or our deviation's really good there also. The stuff shot just fine, didn't have any problems loading it or anything. I don't know what it did on the target, but as I say, our main deal, I was trying to get some speed on these to kind of see what they do compared to what they're boxed. And as I say, this had the highest speed was 2464, and on their box they have it at 2536. So we're about 90 feet per second lower. Could be just because of the length of my barrel. If I had a little bit longer barrel, I'd get a little bit more speed out of it. But I hope you enjoyed it. And as I say, that was a Monarch 7.62 by 3.9 123 grain hollow point. Thanks for watching. We should have some more videos like this coming soon, so stay tuned.